Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iagino. So big sell-off on decent volume coming in, dropping below the 4-hour rotation zone and below the 50. We'll get to the daily in a second. We have a potential double bottom here. So on a close above 89.19, it's slightly lower probability because it's against the rotation zone, but you have the targets of 95.18 and 97.17. So those are your targets. It would be invalid if we trade down below about the 78.45 level. So, and no divergence here because we have higher high in price action and in the RSI. So, and that's the next target down. Should we break below this 81.21 low, we're watching for about 78.50. Looking at the day, other resistance, sorry about that, other resistance points we're watching sort of the top of the rotation zone right here with this little ledge. So that would be about 91.50 based off the 4-hour. Going over to the daily chart, you can see here, I don't know why it puts a gap in there, but have to look at that. But right now, we're still trading above the bottom of the rotation zone on the daily basis, coming in about 85.60. So if you get a close below that, we'll start really watching for this. Based off the daily, then we'll start watching for about the 8,000 level. 8,000, we have the rising 50-day exponential, the flat 200. So that's very, very key support. And here you see the double targets. There might be some minor resistance right about 9,000 also on a rally. But that's a really nice double bottom should it trigger. Looking at Ethereum, once we get there, has a sloppier double bottom because a spike here is the highest point, but it's still a valid double. And that has two targets, 203.09 and 206.39. Again, still against rotation zone, so slightly lower probability. Now, if this rotates back down and forms a triple bottom, these targets are invalid. Keep that in mind. On any rally, let me look at here. So we're watching the sort of the top of the rotation zone, but in this little ledge here that was formed coming in about 199.75 to 200. So that's our first level of key resistance that we're watching for. Let's switch over to the daily. The daily, you can see here, dropping below the rotation zone. So far trading above the 50-day exponential. If we drop back below there, next major support is 175.75. Key resistance based off the daily, this little prior support ledge turning into resistance ledge. So we're really watching about 199 to 200 again. Those are the key levels we're watching for with this sell-off, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.